Alam mo ba ang may pinakamataas na power sa mga mata natin? Welcome to Opto Facts. Facts I found out as an Opto student. Hi Wawabs! Palagi natin naririnig yung lens ng mga mata natin ang nagpo-focus ng light. Yes, it's true, pero actually yung cornea natin, which is the clear outside layer of our eyes, ang may mas mataas na optic power. So, simple way to think about it is that yung cornea contributes 43 diopters. Meanwhile, yung lens natin contributes 15 to 17 diopters lang. So, out of 58 diopters and total sa mga mata natin, 2/3 ay nanggagaling sa cornea natin. So, bakit yung cornea? Kasi doon nangyayari yung difference of medium na papasukan ng light. Yung cornea has a fixed high power refraction. Meanwhile, yung crystalline lens naman natin, siya yung responsible to adjust the focus or yung tinatawag nating accommodation. Kaya natin nakikita ng malinaw either yung malapit or yung malayo sa atin. It's the eye's automatic reflexive process sa pagbabago ng lens shape para maka-adjust yung mga mata natin to either malapit or malayo. So again, the cornea is the main refractive media of our eyes. Meanwhile, the crystalline lens has an adjustable focus para kita natin ng focus yung malapit or malayo sa atin. So that's it for Opto Fact. Love you!